ChatGPT and all these bots, the best thing they have as a assistant or shopping assistant is that they don't just have catalogs, they have your context. So it becomes pretty easy for it to recommend something which is more adamant to you. Like if you ask it, say, best cars, it would probably give it based on what he knows about you. He would know some way or the other about your budget or things around that. So it would be way closer to any other thing. And if we map out like what SEO actually wanted to be is what actually GEO is. So SEO in the reality, it wanted to be something which is more context driven, which makes more sense. But at the end, it has now become very much key. You have to put in a lot of keywords, you have to put in backlinks, and all these things have become SEO. And GEO, in the GEO space, you would have to do is you would require like really clean structured data of your own site, of your all the products, because now ChatGPT is going to search it throughout the web. So it should be able to easily find your product and all the constraints, so that when it is like when you use shopping research, it is different from like normal chat, because it tries to get more constraints and then it finds the product. So it would ask you, say, the budget, it would ask you a style, it does that. After that, it even shows you some options, not as recommendations, but to understand your view on those options, and then it would give its final recommendation.